Welcome to today's lesson on the 24-hour rule, a powerful technique that can transform your spending habits. This simple strategy helps you pause before making big purchases, giving you time to think clearly and avoid decisions you might regret later. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use this rule to take control of your money and make smarter financial choices. The 24-hour rule is straightforward. It means waiting at least 24 hours before completing any significant purchase. This waiting period creates a buffer between the moment you want something and the moment you actually buy it. During this time, your initial excitement fades, and you can think more rationally about whether the purchase is truly necessary. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to prevent impulse buying and protect yourself from spending money on things you don't really need. There are 4 major benefits to using the 24-hour rule. First, it reduces emotional spending. When you wait, the emotional rush that makes you want to buy something immediately starts to fade. Second, it saves you money. By eliminating unnecessary purchases, you keep more cash in your pocket. Third, it ensures you make thoughtful decisions rather than impulsive ones. And fourth, it helps align your spending with your long-term financial goals, ensuring every purchase moves you closer to what truly matters to you. Implementing the 24-hour rule involves 3 simple steps. Step 1, identify the purchase. When you're about to buy something significant, recognize that moment and stop yourself. Step 2, wait 24 hours. Don't complete the transaction. Give yourself a full day to think it over. Step 3, reassess your decision. After 24 hours have passed, ask yourself if you still want or need that item. Often, you'll find that the urge to buy has disappeared completely, and you'll realize you don't need it after all. During your 24-hour waiting period, ask yourself these 4 critical questions. Do I really need this item, or do I just want it in the moment? Can I afford it without causing financial stress or disrupting my budget? Will I use this regularly, or will it sit unused after the initial excitement wears off? And finally, does this purchase align with my financial goals, or is it taking me further away from what I'm trying to achieve? These questions help you evaluate purchases objectively and make decisions based on logic rather than emotion. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you're browsing online and see a pair of expensive sneakers on sale. They look amazing, and you feel an instant urge to buy them right now before the sale ends. But instead of clicking purchase, you apply the 24-hour rule. You wait a full day. The next morning, you think about it again and realize you already have 3 pairs of similar shoes at home. That money could be better spent on something you actually need, or better yet, saved for a larger goal. By waiting just one day, you avoided a regretful purchase and kept your finances on track. Here are 4 practical tips to make the 24-hour rule work for you. First, write down the item you want to buy along with today's date. This makes the commitment real and helps you track it. Second, set a reminder on your phone for exactly 24 hours later so you don't forget to reassess. Third, avoid checking the item repeatedly during the waiting period, as this keeps your desire artificially high. And fourth, spend time reflecting on your true needs and priorities. Ask yourself what really matters in your life and whether this purchase serves those priorities. Now it's time to put this into action. Starting today, practice the 24-hour rule on your next big purchase. Experience firsthand how this simple technique helps you make smarter spending decisions and feel more in control of your money. Remember, every time you pause before buying, you're building a powerful habit that will serve you for the rest of your life. Take control of your finances one decision at a time and watch how your relationship with money transforms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.